Thai tea tiramisu. Start by double boil the eggs and sugar and continue to whisk until it turns yellow pale. Then add in the mascarpone cheese and then you wanna whisk it until smooth. For the Thai tea cream, I have infused the Thai tea leaves to the heavy cream for overnight to make it strong but soft flavor. Then give it a nice whisk until it forms big texture. Be careful to not over whisk it. Next, fold in the Thai tea cream to the double boil mixture little by little, then fold in the rest until it fully combined. Finally, dip in the ladyfinger to the Thai tea drink and assemble according to your container. And then layer with the Thai tea cream. Make as much a layer as you want. Finally, pop it in the fridge for 4 hours minimum, or best, leave it overnight. Bro, look at that beauty. Best combo with the grass jelly and biscuit purple. Let's take a bite off.